I know you need them nails done because I do. Let's get into this press-on nail tutorial and change our nails from this to the girls. They get it, but they are so cute. What is up, guys? I am Shania Shayon and welcome back to the channel. In today's vlog, we are going to be doing a press-on tutorial, and I know you need them nails done because I do. Let's get into this press-on nail tutorial and change our nails from this to in 5 minutes flat. Let's go, guys. I needed to do my nails for Valentine's Day. If you girls are out there and you are watching, happy Valentine's Day to you. As you guys know, I am a big press-on girl. I do not pay for nothing at the salon but my pedicure and my waxing, okay? That's it. So we're going to get into this press-on tutorial. These were super cute. I wanted like Valentine's Day nails, but I didn't want them like hearts and stuff like that. So I actually got these as a gift, and I thought they were so cute. I'm going to find some similar ones, and I will have them tagged in my Amazon storefront. But y'all, look how cute they are. Like, look at those. I also really love the cherries on there. I thought that was a cute little detail. And they're just, like, super girly. Like, I love those. Get into them. Love them. So we are about to apply these with this package, as well as with a lot of my press-ons that I do. Everything you need pretty much comes in the box. Now, I do use a different type of glue. I only use the Kiss 5-second or the Kiss Max Speed. I have all these products linked in my Amazon storefront, which will be tagged in the description. So make sure you guys click that and support the girl. But this particular package also has everything I need. It comes with a glue, as well as an alcohol wipe, and a file and cuticle stick. So that's super convenient. I love that. Oh, mine got wet somehow. Who knows? Okay, y'all, so stay tuned. We're about to get into it, and let's go do our nails. The first step of any time you're applying your press-ons or any type of nails is to make sure you guys are starting with clean hands. I already washed my hands, but one thing I always do as well is just go through with the alcohol wipe before and after I file, just to make sure there's no product from like my hand soap on my nails, as well as if you just now took off your nails, you want to make sure you don't have any glue residue. So all I'm doing is just pretty much going through and wiping my real nail off. So boom. Okay. So now our nails are super clean. And I'm going to use this file that's in this package. Most of your press-ons that I know of and that I do always typically come with its own file, as well as at least a little glue. Okay. So this is what's in the pack: an alcohol wipe, the filer, a cuticle stick, and a little glue. Okay. Now I do take my cuticle stick sometimes and I go through and just push your cuticles back a little bit. And all you're doing is taking that stick and you're just pushing your cuticles back just a little bit and getting up under there. Also, make sure you guys are cleaning up under your nails if you have nails, because the last thing you want is a fresh set of pretty nails with dirty nails underneath. Okay. So I always try to go through, because for some reason my nails stay dirty. I wash my hands all the time, y'all, and for some reason my nails underneath still stay dirty. So I'm just going through and cleaning underneath, and I'm just going through and I'm pushing my cuticles back. That allows you to be able to slide your nail up under your cuticle a little bit, and it makes it look way more natural. So I'm just pushing my cuticles back. That's it. Just like that. So that's my nail, and I'm just taking the cuticle stick and I'm pushing it, and I'm pushing my cuticles back. That's all. Okay, now that my cuticles are pushed back, I'm going to take my filer and I'm going to go ahead and pre-file my nails. So you just take it over your real nail and you just file your nails just like that. This allows the glue to stick a lot better, which means your nails will last a lot longer. So literally just file your real nail. And don't forget the sides, okay? Also, this is good for me because usually I'm just taking off a set of press-ons. So it helps me get like the old glue and stuff off of my nails. So that's pretty much our prep stage. Now we are ready to apply. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so now we are officially ready to apply our nails. Our prep stage is done. And all we're gonna do is pull these off, go one by one, add your glue to your nail, and apply it on your nail. That is it. Also, when you apply your glue, make sure you don't add too much glue. Like, make sure you have enough, but not too much. Because sometimes y'all be putting too much glue. Don't put too much, but make sure you have a good substantial amount. And one thing I always say is don't forget the sides of the nail, okay? Make sure you get that little side part. Because when you're washing your hands and washing dishes and stuff, that's like the first part that the water gets under. And I'm just gonna take the nail and I'm gonna put it right on my finger and I'm gonna push it under my cuticle just a little bit. Literally just like that. I'm gonna push it under just a little bit. So boom, there we have it. So freaking cute. So let's go on to the next one. And one thing about me, I like to do one full hand before I go to the next hand. I don't know, it just gives me a sense of accomplishment, okay? But these nails finna be cute for Valentine's Day. I wanted something long. I wanted long, fun, but Valentine's-y without like all the hearts and pink and stuff. And I thought these were so cute. They were also a gift. Like, baby, if you ever want to get me anything, you can always get me some press-ons, okay? And you guys can see they are already looking really good. Boom. Okay, girl, they cute. So we're just gonna add these on. I'm gonna put some music over this and let's get into it. Sound. It on me, I love when you spin it on me. Oh, it tell me, got me up in Givenchy. Before my love couldn't be far, but now that's all I want. Give me in diamonds, that's how you make it right. Trade me a silk and we would never fight. Okay guys, we are done now. So I just went ahead and put on my last two nails. So my thumb is now on and this is the finished product. Look how pretty. Like freaking gorgeous. They are so freaking pretty. Pure detail. Like that is so cute. Love them. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Perfect for Valentine's Day, but also good like after Valentine's Day. That's the thing with me. Like I like holiday nails, But I don't want them so holiday that after the holiday, like, they give me old nails. I don't know, but you know what I mean. The girls, they get it, but they are so cute. I will have everything linked in my description. Make sure you guys go check out my Amazon storefront. I will have nails that look just like this on there. And I will see you guys in the next nail tutorial. Make sure you guys go and watch all my other tutorials. I got so many nail tutorials on there. Make sure you guys go watch. We did these in no time, okay? We didn't have to sit in no shop for hours, and we didn't have to spend over $100. I'm just saying. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys. They are so cute. I love them. Ugh. Child, these are fire.